Hi, my name is Libby. I'm going to show you how to embed your Twitter feed on your professional or personal website. First things first, make sure that you really want your Twitter feed on your website. It may not be a good idea if you're sharing risque images or using profanity. Remember, employers look for these things. It may not be a good idea to hand a reason not to hire you to them on a silver platter. Assuming that you're good to go with the content on your Twitter feed, go ahead and open Twitter on your internet browser. I'm using Firefox, but you can do this from Internet Explorer, Safari, Opera, or any other browsing system. Please note that you cannot do this from your mobile device. It must be done from a browser on your computer, as at the end you're going to receive HTML code that you're then going to put into your HTML editor that you'll need to copy and paste. Now that you've got your Twitter account open, click on your picture at the top of the page on the right-hand side. A drop-down menu will appear, and you will want to select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page on your Twitter account. On the left-hand side of the page is a menu. Go to the very bottom and select Widgets. This will open the Widgets page. A widget is a small application with limited functionality that can be installed on your website. It uses information from one online source and puts it to use on another online source. This is exactly what we want to do. We're going to take our Twitter feed and have it display. The next step in creating your widget is by clicking on Create New in the upper right-hand corner of the Widgets page. This will open the configuration page. This is going to give you the option of which username that you would like to use for your Twitter account in case you have multiples that are linked to this email. You can include or exclude replies from other people on your Twitter feed that show. And you can also expand your photos to show directly in your Twitter feed, or you can deselect this and it will just create a link that a viewer can look at later. You can change the height as well as the color theme for your Twitter feed. You can choose the light, which is standard, or you can select the darker. You can change your link colors to whichever color that you would like, depending on the color scheme of your website. If you want additional options to customize your Twitter feed on your website, you can click here on the customization documentation. This will open up a page that gives you all sorts of helpful hints and tips to customize your Twitter feed and how you want it to look on your website. It gives you different HTML code that you can then put into your editor and play around with and see how it looks once you load it up onto your website. Once you've decided how you want your Twitter feed to look on your website, go ahead and click on this button here called Create Widget. This will give you a preview of how your Twitter feed is going to look on your website. And just below it will get HTML code that you're going to copy and paste and put into your HTML editor. I'm using Sublime for this, but you can use any HTML editor that you're comfortable with. Once you have this and you save it, you'll upload it onto your website, and your Twitter feed will look something like this on your website. You can see it here. I've customized quite a bit, made it smaller, shorter, and I limit the amount of tweets that it shows. Congratulations! Now you know how to embed your Twitter feed onto your personal website.